What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How we doing, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are we all doing today? How are we, Matty? Hope you're all good. How's the music loudness there? Is that too loud? I don't know. Let me click on you. Let me go on my own stream on YouTube. Let me know, guys. How's the music? And I'll get down to some analysis in a sec. How's the music loudness there? Is that too loud? I don't know. Let me click on you. Let me go on my own stream on YouTube. Let me know, guys. How's the music? Perfect. Nice one. Yeah, nice one. Cheers, Matty. I might put it down a tad. Perfect, okay. Let's get down some analysis. So it's trickling up for ages now on this 15-minute. I've been waiting for a nice clean range, which is not giving it to us. Anyway, let's get down to it. Weekly. I'm liking the weekly at the moment. Yesterday, I think we actually said, or weekly analysis, the best outcome here, because this previous weekly, right, couldn't break the previous high, couldn't break the previous low. I mean, it's very indecisive for this week of the overall weekly bias, right? But we did mention yesterday, best thing to happen, because it was a high volume closure, best thing to happen with nice market structure, making higher highs, making high lows, create this new support, and then we were bearish yesterday, creating this bottom wick on the weekly. Now we're continuing to push up. To now break the weekly high, we flipped. If we can now continue up on bullish, that'd be perfect. Really nice market structure. Coming down to the daily. Daily's not looking too bad now. I'm liking the daily. I want the daily to continue on bullish. Obviously off the daily we have got, now if we continue on bullish now, we've created this new support, which is lovely. And then we've got this resistance. And then we've got these clean candles to the left hand side. A few rejection wicks, but these will be really nice wick fills in the lower time frame. So we can keep continuing to push above this area now that we're on the daily. I really like the buys for the overall bias. As you can see, if you zoom in here as well on the daily, we pretty much matched it, or kind of just tiny tad broke the previous low, which I like to see. Now we're continuing. We've rejected the area hard. If we can now, obviously broken the previous lows or matched it at this point, if we can now break the previous high on this daily, continue up on bullish, at least going for the wick fills, and then as I just said, come up to the previous resistance with the clean candles to the left, that will be tasty. Coming over to the 4 hour, ignore these lines at the moment, guys. 4 hours been beautiful from this morning, just in terms of reading the market. As you can see, we came down to this previous resistance, support, sorry, the support level. We then created this bearish candle, right? Very weak bearish candle here. Couldn't break the previous high or low, meaning some indecisiveness in the market. We don't want to be in it. We then broke all these lows, enticing more sellers into the market, then flipped bullish. Nice MC play there, breaking the previous lows and then breaking the previous highs. And then we even closed back in this range, this 4 hour range, this horrible 4 hour range. We closed back in it. However, we closed back in it with clean candles to the left. Then, just reading the market, it's all the story. Then, as you can see, this previous 4 hour candle did close above its previous resistance. So, giving a good indication that we will continue up on bullish. So, I like that for now. Not the biggest fan of the previous 4 hour top wick, but at the moment we're back in this range, which is quite nice to see. And I do want to see us continue up on bullish. Coming over to the hourly. Hourly is a bit like whatever. There was a nice setup earlier on the hourly that I really liked. I didn't see it. I wasn't at the charts. I was driving. But it was really it was perfect. We had our hourly range right in this area here. We had the closure above. Next candle, weak bearish candle, nice celery play, clean candle to the left hand side, break the previous wick, bang, easy. Easy. I didn't catch that. I know a few of the Market Cruiser members caught that. Hopefully a few of the Cruiser FX members caught that too. Really simple, nice, effective setup. Just based off the hourly. Half an hour, looking to get, again, slowing down in volume. and we're coming up to the 15-minute where we can mark out our zones. I like that we're rejected now. We need to form a nicer range. We had this big push up in the London, right? And then we just started trickling up. Some okay setups here, like we had the liquidity sweep on this candle, finish week bearish, and you could take the buys to continue up on bullish here. But because we just moved so far bullish already, I wanted to see a nice period of consolidation, where you expect these big rejections. So it wasn't safe for me to get in a buy at that point. So I was at the chart, so that's a point. But anyway, most recent resistance, 2914, 441. I'm hoping this candle does finish bearish as well. Thing is it clean to the left hand side when you look left from that point, from this resistance, to see how big this wick fill is? 13 pips is not enough. This is not enough range to mark out that as our most recent resistance. It's not enough. I don't like it. Therefore, look left, our next resistance here and here. So these two areas here, this is our next resistance, where we've then got these clean candles to the left, right? Therefore, we're going to adjust our resistance. We want to wait for a closure above that area. Have we then got enough clean candles to the left? Is there enough pips within it? Let's have a look. 20 pips. 20 pips is okay. Anything really under 20, I'm not a biggest fan of. But 20 pips, I like that. So that could be our first take profit point. If we get that closure above. Then looking left after that, then it's beautiful. Then it's really beautiful. So if we struggle to get a clean closure above this area, right? In this area here. Say we got a candle closure. Let me come over for you guys. Say we got a candle, did get a candle closure above, but we closed like this, right? We closed like this. What's the problem with this? The problem is we've already taken out the clean candles to the left. So then you've got your resistance. So if that does happen, if we've already taken out the clean range that we wanted to use for our trade, that's fine. Then we'll just wait for a closure above the TP1, above 2917,600. Then we wait for a closure above there, because look left, beautiful clean range. So next point of call will be around this area. You can see price heavily reacts. We've got previous resistance. Yes, we've got these clean candles, but of course we need to take partials along the way. So where do we take partials? This will make sense in this area here. We've reacted it, used previous support and resistance, easily tapped into it, rejection wick. Look how many times that we're rejected in this area, right? So it makes sense to put another take profit point there as a target, and then TP3 at the end of the clean candles, right? So that's that. Let's come over to our most recent support then. This is our most recent support here. Is this a good idea? Put our most recent support here? No, it's not. Why isn't it? Because we have got rejection wicks. We have got another support. We've got another support and the rejection wicks, right? So you don't want to be selling into these rejection wicks and the support. What we want to do is adjust that. Where do we have our clean candles? I want to get a closure below these rejection wicks right here on the 15-minute, right? I do just sometimes check the 5 just in case there's a at the bottom of them rejection wicks. It lines up with the support, right? So that's fine. So I want to see a closure below this area for sales, 2908,900, because we've got these lovely clean candles. To the left-hand side, clean traffic. So first point of call, TP1, going to be looking at this area here at least. I guess this is a counter trend trade, so you know I will be looking to secure partials along the way anyway, as I do with every single trade. I'll secure partials, make it risk-free, but I have my target area still drawn out for my runners. Second TP at the end of the clean candles here, we come into his previous support, and then TP3. Let's go to the end of these clean candles. So yeah, looking really nice. Nice setup for the day. What I'm going to do now is just check Forex Factory. I believe we do have news today. It might be at 2 PM GMT. Yeah, 2 PM GMT. So 2 hours and 18 minutes time. Jolt's job openings. So I won't be trading around half an hour before that. 20 minutes, half an hour before news. Won't trade. I won't trade the actual opening of the news, of course, because that is absolute gambling. And then I'll wait for news to settle for like 15, 20, half an hour. Tomorrow we've got heavy news. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. So that's all calm. That's all good. Bum, 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 bum. So we're set. The stage is set. That's the analysis. That's the plan for the day. That's the analysis. Oh, one MC play. Let's have a look at the comments. Milan market is marketing today. It is nice bullish structure. I like it. I'm just going to find a nice clean entry. Matty entered on the 1 hour MC play for a buy, but doesn't look like it's happening. Too excited. It shouldn't have entered. Doesn't look like it's happening to exit. Oh, so I shouldn't have entered. Are you out the trade now, Matty? I mean, it is a nice 1 hour MC play for sure. I just don't know how overextended we are. And the fact that coming up to 15-minute, this is our buy zone, so we've just tapped into it. So this is a resistance. The clean candles have run out, so you know you would expect volume to push through. If you have volume in the market, you do expect the resistances to get broken. That's what the volume's there for. Yeah, we do feel very overextended, but we'll wait for this. This is going to be our no trade range, guys. We're not going to be trading within this range. The only times I trade within a range are if we're right at support or right at resistance and we see a clean setup to break through the zone. That's it. I'm never going to trade in the middle of the range. You don't know what's going to happen in there. It is a no-go zone. Oh, you're out the trade. Oh, that's fine, man. That's fine. Volume still below the daily average at the moment on the volume. Yeah, but we'll wait now, guys. Christoph, good to see you, man. Is that Trump in the comments? Nice. yeah, Trump does like to come onto the Cruise FX live streams. He does like to turn up sometimes. You know, because what was it ICT used to say? I think Trump's in the live streams because you know, if I take a buy, then Trump's just gonna sell the market because we've just got so much power within us. So much power in the Cruise FX live streams that they're just gonna try and sweep up all our liquidity. Gonna be interesting to see how we react. We're right at this resistance now. Tapped into it once, twice, 3 times. So see what happens if we break this previous wick. How we're gonna react. Did you close in a profit there, Matty? I guess by the time you closed it out, must have had like 5-6 pips maybe. We've just tapped into that resistance now, so it'd be interesting to see if we can break through or not. But if you did close at the top, then, I mean, perfect place to close. Because we're at that resistance. Got the rest of that wick fill. Off the 1 hour MC play. Just gonna chill out on the music there. Small loss unfortunately, not much though. Could have got it on. Matty could have got out BE if I'd stayed. Yeah, fair play. Do 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 do. It looks like it's nice, like we got that was the wick fill. Now it looks like we're rejecting off that area, so it would have been very sketchy to stay in there, so good job on closing out at least. If it comes all the way back down, then you've saved yourself a bigger loss. Do 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 do. Yeah, let's go. Nicer, stronger resistance, and we've got a nice clean no trade range. I'm liking this, guys. Much cleaner. Any nice trades from anyone today? Christoph, I saw you took a nice trade as well. Good job on that. There goes the battery on my light. Not too bad still, is it? Patience pays that now, guys. Just gonna have to wait. We'll wait for a clean setup. That's all we can do now. Do, 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 do. I heard my name, but not sure if you said something to me. My keyboard is so loud. I was texting my own Discord. Yeah, no worries. I was just saying, I saw that you got a nice trade earlier. 1 hour salary play, was it? So good job on that. Good job on that. Let's get some fresh analysis in Market Cruiser as well. I tried making the links in the description clickable, but I don't think it's worked. I tried asking ChatGPT to help me out, but I don't think it worked. Oh, okay. What did you take off the 15-minute earlier on this morning? Was it maybe this? Oh, that was... Oh, this is what I got this morning here. Did you get this here? Oh, you can read up on Discord. Nice, nice. It brought 100k as well. Good job, good job, good job. Yeah, I like that. Good idea, man. Secured over 2% on my account since yesterday, so I'll wait for payout now. Yeah, perfect. And then you get 2 more payouts, and then you get your Market Cruiser membership for free for life. Good job, man. Really, really good progress. Well done. Oh, my trade was what I wanted to. My trade was what I wanted to take, but it was in a toilet. That was an expensive toilet. Yeah, took the. Oh, I'll explain it actually for everyone viewing actually. This was the trade idea earlier. So obviously we had our most recent. I'll draw this out nicely, shall I? Had our most recent resistance. Had our most recent support. At the time, this was it here. So we just had this. Then the next candle. No, I want that. I want that one. The next candle then closed below the range. But immediately just put in the chat. I don't like this closure. This is not a nice closure. It was a very low volume closure below the range. We did break the high and then failed to break the previous low, so that's not interesting in anything. So I just left it. Then the next candle swept all the lows, which was really nice, enticed more sellers into the market. And then as we break this previous high, that was my entry. Stops below current candle. And at that point, I took the buys. It was about 6-7 pips profit. But the only reason I held on for about 10-15 pips was the next that candle that closed back in the range is the fake out as well after sweeping the lows, closed with very, very high volume. So held on for like another 5, 6, 7 pips, closed partials at 15 pips, and let the rest run. The only reason I wanted to close out a bit earlier was because of this, no top wick closure. The only thing that kept me in the game there was the higher volume. Yeah, nice trade from this morning on the funded, and then hopefully I can get a nice trade on the 100k. This afternoon and with you guys. Maybe I'll try and do it on 2 accounts actually, both the 100k accounts. The one Goat funded 100k account's a little bit in drawdown. This one's looking tidy and clean. Oh, the win that I got yesterday, man. Guys, oh. It was a painful one. The win yesterday, $266, man. I had about 10-15 pips. Closed it on my funded first. Then I was in Nando's at this point. Just having lunch before going home. And then I go over to the other MT5, so one was on Match Trader, the other one's on MT5 on my phone. Come over and it's down at like 200 or something, so closed partials anyway. Stuck to the plan, went stocks break even, then got tapped out of break even. But that's all good anyway. We're like 6% up now, So I need to get to 7.5 on phase 1. But yeah, is what it is. It happens. Stuck to the plan. I didn't hold just because of the fact that it went to where I wanted to, where the price I wanted to drive to. I didn't think, oh, I'm going to hold on for hope because I haven't had as much money as what it was at. I just stuck to the plan. Still did the same thing. So yeah, welcome guys who just joined the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're waiting patiently. Patience pays. This is our no trade range. Don't want to be trading in the range. Why don't you want to be trading in the range? Because it is ridiculously choppy. Loads of wicks, loads of chop. You need clean candles. That's why we wait for a closure up below or above where we do have clean candles. That's why we wait. If you're new to the stream, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're going to be, this is the second day, day 2. That I'm going to be streaming every single day. 11:30 AM GMT every single day. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn those noties on, and you'll know when I'm coming live. Of course, I'll post it on my socials and in the free Discord as well. Free Discord. Elton, good afternoon, mate. How are you doing? Good to see you back. Good to see you back. In the description, guys, of the stream, are you able to click on the free Discord? I don't think I've set it up right. And I appreciate those guys that leave a like on the stream as well. Thank you. Always much love. It goes a long way. Don't know why it goes a long way, but everyone else says it goes a long way. It must push out the algorithm or something. But it does help. It helps with the stream. And it will help me out in the long run. 30-minute closure. Pifa, good to see you, man. 30-minute closure is nothing candle. Yeah, literally, you're spot on. It is a nothing candle. This is going to be a messy range by the looks of it. Price just breaking the highs and closing at its open price. So we've got a nothing candle, really. We've kind of got like a mini fake out right now, but this is too wicky to trade into. I'm not going to be trading that. And yeah, like Japifa just said, half an hour looks terrible. Let me just get rid of a bit of this mess. Let's see. I was kind of looking for a divergence candle there, but the volume is still really low. Because we left a big wick on the hourly, so I was looking to see if we can continue on pushing bearish. But this is just so choppy in the 15-minute anyway, so we shall stay patient. We shall stay patient. I really do want to see this daily break the previous daily high. Continue up and bullish, but we may need to do a liquidity sweep first. We'll see. Yeah, good to see you too, man. Good to see you too. Someone commented on the daily analysis on Funding Frontier, please. Please? Maybe saying thank you. A new beer. Just got a Weatherspoons notification. 1664 beer. Pint. New World beer. $3.99 a pint's not bad. Considering. Just going to update the market cruiser chat with the fresh 15-minute analysis. For those that aren't able to make the stream, and that's okay. There we are. Elton, all good mate, there's high impact news at 2 o'clock. There is indeed, yes, there is indeed. Whereabouts are you from, Elton? Obviously UK, I guess. We've got the Jolts job openings, I believe it is. So we've still got a couple of hours, which is quite nice. Matty knows the link works in the group. Oh, perfect. As in the YouTube description, the link works. Maybe it just doesn't work for me because I would have made it. But yeah, thank you. Yes, Kev. Kev is here. Let's go. How you doing, man? How you doing? Hope you're okay. Oh, perfect. Cheers, cheers, mate. Appreciate that. Kev, doing good. Got my W in for the day. Yes, let's go. Let's go, man. Your progress has been really good these past couple of months. Keep it going, man. Well done. That's really good to hear. Really, really good to hear. How you doing? Yeah, I'm not too bad. Thank you, man. Not too bad. Got the W. You may have seen it in the market cruiser. I got the W this morning from the reverse MC play down here. And that's about it, really. I didn't catch any of this. Didn't catch any of this. I don't think there was a real clean entry. There was the 1 hour salary play, right? That could have anticipated. There was this here, which is really nice. Take the buys up. Break a previous week bearish wick. Closure above. Week bearish candle. Continue buys. That's really clean. But after that, it's quite hard. Like, we had the closure above our most recent resistance here. No top wick, but it was high volume again, and then I guess that was the 1 hour MC play to continue up. I couldn't really find a clean entry after that, and then I had to drive, and then this got a bit messy, so stayed away. But there was a couple of nice setups, like the weak bearish candle here, with all the cleared to grab. So there's a couple of nice small setups within here. But yeah, well done on the W. Well done on the W. Yeah, got that one. The 1 hour selling plate. Yeah, perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Good job. Do 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 do. If you're new here, guys, you'll know that I'm very patient trader. I don't rush anything, and I'm going to only take the best possible setup. So just because we're on a live stream, that doesn't mean I'm going to force a trade just to try and get some more views, you know. I'm only going to ever take the best setups that I think have the highest probability of playing out. So, as I've wrote here, patience pays. I do want to see a steeper pullback here. I need to see a steeper pullback. Grab some more liquidity. If we're going to continue up, I don't want to be buying after we just trickled up like this. I need to see a nice liquidity grab, which I do believe we're about to get at some point. We've just moved so far bullish. But gold will do gold things, so we react off it. Like I said earlier, I do want to see this previous daily candle get taken out. That'd be really nice to see. The fan, I swear the fan, I can hear the fan on my thing. It sounds loud. Yeah, there's definitely that sound is annoying. The fan, I swear the fan, I can hear the fan on my thing. Just like a shh, loud. Yeah, there's definitely that sound is annoying. The fan, I swear the fan, I can hear the fan on my thing. Just like a shh, loud. It's not too bad, it's not the end of the world. Maybe I'll get like a microphone headset, but I don't know if that is good quality. Let's see. Turtle beaches. This is what I use. Turtle beaches is what I used to use when I was gaming. Call of Duty. Turtle beaches. These are nice. I don't really need it for the sound though. I just need the microphone. So that would be a waste of money, really. What's your thoughts, guys? Do I get a headset or do I just stick with the Blue Yeti? Appreciate it, guys. Leaving a like on the stream. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Reese, headsets are a bit newbie. I'm not gonna imagine coming onto the stream. I'm not joining that guy's stream. He's got a headset on. What a noob. Old school iPhone headphones for lead, use them. Ah. Yeah, I see a lot of people use them, to be fair. Is that because the mic is good quality? Is that why? Maybe I have to invest in some. I don't have any, no. But surely there must be some knocking about on Amazon or something. Yeah, look, the OG. Oh, you can actually get some newer ones. With mic. I need it with a mic. Yeah. Let's grab some of them, maybe. To be fair, I have just got like one of them mics I can just attach to my jumper. Have I got the audio jack? I'll do. I could just get one of them. Yeah. Yeah, the headphones that give you long haul flights with one ear. Gonna expect this. I'm gonna expect this previous hourly load to get taken now. But there really wasn't like a clean entry to take from these fake out. It's just like a minor fake out off this most recent range up here. Glad you got out those buys, Matty. Cleaning out all this mess to the left. Let's keep it coming, gold. Keep it coming. If the even if we close week bearish on this 4 hour, we've got 40 minutes till this 4 hour closes. Even if we close like this, week bearish or week bullish, with a half decent wick either side, I would love to see the MC play on the next 4 hour. That would be ideal. If we don't get anything in the next 40 minutes, I want to see the MC play on the next 4 hour candle for sure. Take out the previous lows, take out the previous buys, and then have something like this. It would be perfect. If we can get something like that on the next 4 hour, that'd be perfect. And that would be the break of the previous daily high as well. That would be the ideal situation. Surely we can fill these rectangles in, right? Background. Yes, sir. Perfect. It's better. So we want to see. That would be nice if we can get something like that. Because this 4 hours, it's weak holding. We haven't got much of a bottom wick. We haven't really respected previous lows. So that liquidity grab on the next candle would make a lot more sense. Entice some sellers into the market at the break of this previous low. Reject, flip bullish, continue up on bullish. That would be perfect. But we'll see what we get. Nothing happening right now. Dunya, good to see you, man. Good to see you back. Koti dia bachia koi trade vi lai la. Unfortunately, I didn't understand a word of that. You may have to rephrase that in some English. Waiting. It's literally the biggest part of trading, guys. Waiting. The waiting game is one of the biggest parts of trading. If you don't have any patience and you can't wait, you won't go far in trading. The impatient trader will lose, the patient trader will win. And it goes with a lot of strategy, especially with this strategy, you know, like if I'm waiting for a candle to close above, right? And let's say we moved this far already, we moved that far. We've got this candle closer above. So we close above like this. The patient trader. Well, let's start with the non-patient trader. The impatient trader will take the buy at the break of the previous wick here. They'll take that buy. They might go 5-6 pips in profit or whatever, and you'll get a reject. We'll reject. Why are we going to get a rejection? Because let's just say this is a red candle. Because we've just moved over 100 pips bullish in one direction. You take in the bar in the next candle. It's very risky, especially if there's lower volume. The patient trader will win because the patient trader waits for that weak bearish candle, taking people out of their stops below current candle, and then the next candle is the impulse. That's the trade. got the nice salary play, even if we get the MC play as well. The patient trader is trading on this candle. The impatient trader is trading on this candle. The impatient trader loses, the patient trader wins. That's because you're following the rules, right? Follow the rules. Follow your plans. Follow your strategy. If your strategy and your plan is telling you don't take a breakout candle after you've moved too far in one direction, then don't do it. Danya, nowadays, market just only giving clean trade zones in London session. New York is getting more choppy and hard to trade. I will... Well, today, yeah, today, definitely. But yeah, it's all swings and roundabouts, man. It's all swings and roundabouts. Yesterday, New York session, yeah, it could be a bit choppy, but there was still some moves in there. London session was clean, up, down, but it wasn't hard. It wasn't easy to get in a move. Yeah, it swings and roundabouts. Sometimes the London session will be good. Sometimes the New York session will be good. Typically, if you see a choppy London session, you'll have a clean breakout on the New York session. Or if you have a clean London session, you might be waiting till the back end of the New York session to get a clean move. Like, it's all just swings and roundabouts. It's because it makes sense, right? London session, big push up, right? And the market can't be just going in one direction forever. It can't just keep going up, down, up, down with these big moves. It can't do that. Within these big moves, because we've already had a big push, price has to consolidate. Price has to refuel, grab more liquidity to then make a further push up. Another clean move. So during London, if you have had a big push up, you might typically see that price needs to consolidate. You need to wait a little bit. But again, that's where FOMO traders will come in. If you have a big push up, right? And now look, we just broke above this minor resistance again. A candle closed above. We don't take this buy because it's too far bullish, and we've got previous resistance anyway. But price needs to consolidate. Price needs to cool down to then grab some more liquidity, and then it can make its next move and do some more of this. Three minutes till candle closure. Just watching the volume here so we can start picking up. Dunya, last year market cruise, MC cruise works really good, but why not this year? What do you mean? Last year MC cruise works really good, but why not this year? It's been a good start to the year. This is the results from the 100k, the Funding Frontier one. I'm trying to find this year, 2025. So I haven't traded loads on this account, but here we go. So just on this account, these are all the results from this point downwards. These are all the results in 2025. So yeah, it's been pretty good. Oh, the market cruiser plays don't work out for this year. I can't speak on your behalf there. They've worked out really nicely for me. Actually, I know what we'll be able to show. Here we go. This will show the MC plays that I've taken. Oh, it didn't load. It doesn't like it. Stats. So MC play overall stat, taken 52 MC plays, 88% win rate. If we just do 2025, I've taken 16 MC plays, 94% of them have won. So yeah, it's been quite a good year. Been quite a good year for the MC play. Impulse entries, 63%, not so good. Need that to be higher. Breakout, 69, not so good. Yeah, doing well at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 win streak. Recovered that 4 loss streak that we took. That was horrible. That wasn't nice. But just all we've done is just stuck to the plan. Got a couple of wins, then took another loss. But just sticking to the plan again. That's it. If I start changing things, when I got these 4 losses in a row, right? If I start changing things, then you're going to see more losses. But if you just look at the bigger picture, right? It happens. Look, here last year, 3 losses in a row. Didn't panic, just carried on. And this 4 loss streak here was, I haven't had a 4 loss streak in, I can't remember how long, 3 years maybe. But I didn't panic. It was frustrating, but I didn't panic. I didn't change my strategy. Didn't change anything. Just carried on doing the same thing. How did that close then? Higher volume, horrible closure. Looks like we took out previous lows and began to reverse, but this wick's not nice. Matching wick, small body, not good. Stay away from that. Higher volume though, which I like to see, but again, with 2 equal wicks either side of the body, you do not know which way the next candle is going to go. And it's higher volume. This could pump up, this could pump down, this next candle, but that's why we don't trade within the range, because you don't know what's going to happen, right? Even that MC play there, reverse MC play, if we break the lows, I didn't see it, then break the highs. Trading in the range is not a good idea. I'd rather this pushes up, looking at the half-an-hour divergence candle. I'd rather it pushes up. But yeah, it's just, let's get out of this 15-minute range. You should literally only do MC plays, wait for them and only do them. Yeah, I mean, I have been doing them a lot like that more recently. I'm going to be doing, at some point this year, a $500 challenge to like 100k or something. And like, over risk, basically. Just trying to, just as a nice fun challenge for you know, Instagram, YouTube and that. Just a nice fun challenge. I'll do that later in the year, but yeah, like I said to the Market Cruiser gang, I'm only going to be doing MC plays on that. Only the best trusted setups. Journal looks nice with all the W's. Yeah, it's cool. It's just like it's just a spreadsheet. It's actually took it off Don Vo's website. So I'm not claiming that. But yeah, I use my proper journal. Is on FX Bullshit, which I like. It's nice having these, like to see the W's and the stats and stuff, but you don't have any of the proper analytics. I haven't updated this yet from yesterday. 90 wins, 26 losses. We're on 92 at the moment, so need to just update that a little bit. But yeah, I like seeing the overall monthly stats like this. It's just a lot cleaner on FX Bullshit. But yeah, I keep them both anyway, so I like to see like which plays that I've done. But on the journal entries here anyway, you can where do I scroll along? Here we go. You can add your screenshots in anywhere of these plays, so that's quite nice. What's a nice trade that we took? Let's have a look on an old trade. Oh yeah, remember that massive volume push up. We got the wick closed out and hard rejection. That's why we secure positions. That was nice. That was a nice trade. $25 minutes until the 4-hour closes. Should get some more clarity after that point. But yeah, if we close anything like this with this small weak bottom wick, I would expect it to get taken out and then continue up on bullish. That'd be the ideal scenario, but we'll see what we get given. Just gonna pop to the toilet quick, guys. Won't be a second. Whilst we're waiting for this range. I'm back. Oh, what's going on? Can you all still see me? Don't know if you can still see me on the camera. It doesn't say you can on the studio I've got to the left here. Maybe I'll refresh it. Ba, 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 ba. Yep. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Nice little push up there. We'll expect that off that previous. Yeah, it's a nice 10 pip push. So we can get a closure above. $18 minutes left of the 4-hour candle. Let's see how we close. Let's see how we close. Volume's picking up, which is good. Got my those in the wrong place on the MT5. There we are. Big push up. Nice off the half an hour. Just didn't like the range we were in, but they're really nice push up. We'll wait for a cleaner entry, safer entry. Can we get a closure above that area to begin with? And then we'll see if we can get a closure above that area. With the 4-hour candle closing very soon, it'll be safer to wait for a weak bearish candle first. like so. Then, if we can get that closure above, then followed by a weak bearish candle, then we want to look to take the buys as an impulse after that. That's the cleanest entry. Like so. Even better if we take out the previous lows. Like we said on the 4 hour, if you can take out the previous lows and then continue to break the previous highs, that would be the most perfect situation. But the first point of call is getting the closure above. That's the first point of call. Which it looks like we're going to get. Nice. Closure above. Very high volume, which is good. Let's see what we can get now. Waiting for that small bearish candle now. Do have a 1 hour MC play happening right now as well. But I would like to see small bearish candle first. If it goes, that's fine. Very nice high volume closure above though, very nice. Sometimes you can see how the candle reacts, right, for an entry as well. For example, if we break the previous high, reject, and then break our previous low, break our current low, sorry. So we break the previous high, then continue to break the current low, entice some more sellers into the market, and then re-break the current high. That's also a nice position. But we'll see. We have to see how candles react. We've got the first point of call is that we've got the closure above. Now we wait for reactions and we wait for structure. And the biggest part when you're waiting for these safer entries as well, one of the biggest things is waiting. And what I'm trying to say is, if it goes, when you didn't see everything you wanted to see, that's fine. If it just goes, that is absolutely fine. You just got to wait. Whoa, that was high volume on that 5-minute candle. See what we get. See what we get. Yeah, sometimes them trades are just going to go. If it goes, it goes. You just got to be okay with it. Really like to set up for 30 minutes. So we play high volume rejection candle, then new candle to the highs, break the current candle lows, stopping up people, re-break the highs for nice entry. Mystics didn't have 25 open. Would be a nice start to a new challenger. Yeah, decent, man. Well done, well done. Well done on spotting it. I liked the previous half an hour, taking out all liquidity of the previous candles, and for the impulse up there. The only problem we have is with this resistance that we had. But yeah, it would have been nice off the half-an-hour break of previous week for sure. No, I'm waiting for tomorrow for sure. Yeah, fair enough. Are you? Yeah, if you've got your wins for today anyway, you don't need to rush into anything. Would have had to be in and out of that one. If you're looking at that, but look where we've tapped into again. Just that previous resistance, previous tap. Exactly where we've tapped into. Would be nice to continue closing above, or with a weak bearish candle. We'll see. I'm in a club right now. I feel like I'm on holiday in a club. Dude. We're back on these ones. Let's go for some chilled ones. Eight minutes till the 4-hour candle closes. Still not quite broken that previous daily high, which I really would like to see. If we do form anything like this, if we like more stronger bearish, we're just gonna have to use that as a new resistance. We'll see. What football we got on tonight, guys? I know Liverpool's playing against PSG. Barcelona, Benfica, Liverpool, PSG, Leverkusen, Bayern, Inter Milan, Feyenoord. Liverpool back at Anfield. Hopefully it would be nice to just hold on to that 1-0 lead we got anyway. But back at Anfield, got more confidence in that. PSG are all over us. All over Liverpool in the first leg. We managed to scrape a 1-0 at the end. It's like beautiful. Beautiful. Leverkusen at home against Bayern, 3-0 down though, second leg. Do, 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 do. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Typical that we come on stream and we're just doing this. Consolidation Nation. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Guys, make sure you join the free Discord as well. Make sure you join the free Discord. We're moving over from Telegram to Cruise Effects onto Discord. I'll try and put as much analysis in there as I can for the New York session. Before we come into the stream, I'll put the analysis of what I'm thinking, and then I'll explain again on stream for those that missed it. I'll show you through it. I did show you some people yesterday, but I think there's some new people on today, so let me go through. Market Cruise, you can't see that one. That is exclusive members only. Cruise Effects Discord though, here we are. So if you look down here, Ryan's analysis, maybe I'll move that up actually. Yeah, I haven't done any GBP, JPY, I haven't done it for a while, but I'll put all the gold analysis in here for Cruise Effects. And then you've got the general chat, make sure you get in there. Chuck your results in here, it's a brand new channel. Student and London analysis, New York analysis, and general charts and analysis in there. Got voice channels as well. So yeah, come and join, come and join. I'll chuck that in the chat for you guys as well. Free Discord. Be nice to get a good community going together on Discord. There's so many more options on here. We've got some voice channels in there, live trading voice channels as well. That'd be decent. But yeah, come on over. I didn't mean to click on CapCut. Look at that dump. Last 15 minutes. It's always so dangerous when the 4 hours are closing. It's dangerous trading near them times. 2 minutes left. What we do now, guys, because we didn't get that weak bearish candle that we wanted, and that's fine. We just popped our new resistance at this level here. We're getting a bit of a smaller range now to the top of that range. Just want to make sure we've got enough clean candles still above it. 18 pips, wick filled, 25 pips is still just about right. Let's get rid of that. So that's fine. It's just looking real messy. Really, really messy. Nothing clean at the moment. But like we said on the 4 hour, if we can take out these previous 4 hour lows and then continue to break the previous 4 hour highs, that would be the break of the previous daily wick as well. So that is the most ideal plan of action. Two minutes. nice to get another trade in today on this 100k account. If we can get another 0.5% or 1%, and we'll be within just touching distance of passing that phase 1 on there. I've had my trade on my funded account this morning, so I'm happy with that. I don't need to take another trade on there. That's the one that you guys saw in my story to see it this morning. 70 plus 10, 80, 87, 80, 89, 92 bucks for the day on the funded. I'm more than happy with that. I can deal with that. Just under 100 for like 5-minute trade. Christian, good to see you, man. Good to see you. This PA is crazy. Yes, that's why we have our no trade ranges, right? Price action within it is just so bad. So a bit of a lower volume closure than the previous one. Let's check out the half an hour. Half an hour, dead. It's a dud. High volume, however, massive wick to the upside, massive wick to the downside. Making it very unpredictable for this candle. So what we do, we carry on waiting. We wait for that closure for now. Again, the hourly, small body, big wick to the upside, big wick to the downside. Higher volume, but again, it's just very hard for next candle. I would like to see it continue bullish, of course, but if we can grab that 4-hour liquidity low first, down here, I think this is the bottom 4-hour candle, and then continue on bullish, that would be perfect. But again, we always have to react to what the price shows us. You can have your plans, your biases, but then you have to react to the market of what it shows you. Can you consider this as a fake out? Somewhat, yes, it is a fake out in terms of like we closed above the range and then closed back in the range. However, do you want to be trading into this? If it has cleaner candles in the range, a little bit cleaner, then yeah, I'd be more comfortable taking that. But trading into these wicks and this choppiness is suicide. Let's see something, gold. Let's see some dump, something. Let's get out this range. It'd be great to take. Oh my goodness! It'd be great to take a trade on the stream with the YouTube family. Dunya, if price breaks and close below the range, should we enter that or not? As the clean candles on the left. Yeah, same rules apply if we get the closure below. I mean, you're your own trader, right? But my plan is, if we do get a candle closure below, then I'll be looking to anticipate sells. Of course, if we move from the top of the range to the bottom of the range, get the candle closure below, I won't be anticipating that straight away. I'll be looking for a cleaner setup, because we would have moved over like 100 pips at that point. But if we can get like a small bullish candle or an MC play after the closure, then yeah. But at the moment, this is a messy range. Do. Nice. Let's keep it going, gold. Let's get that closure below, and then we can start to make some moves. Yeah, nice. Like, we're getting some good movement now. See how we react. Like, if we get a closure below straight away on this candle now, I won't be looking to take the sell straight away. After moving from the top of the range to the bottom range, too far bearish in one direction. But it gives a good indication that we might get a setup after that. Again, it might be the buys. We might get a play at the bottom of this range. We might get the play set up for a reverse MC play to continue up on bullish, which would be the bullish plans. We've taken out the previous 4-hour low now, which is nice on the 4-hour. So if we were to flip bullish now on the 4-hour and break the previous high, I'm in them bars all day long. But we'll see what we get. Patience. I think we're going to need to get some games, you know, at the end of the streams going. Take a trade at games at the end of the stream. We can take so any suggestions are welcome. Welcome suggestions. Get some games going. There must be some Fortnite. I didn't mean like that. I meant mini games. Mark, GeoGuessr. I've not had that before, I don't play. Geo. Huh. Oh. Sweet. GeoGuessr for organisations looking to play GeoGuessr with co-workers or another context. GeoGuessr. Let's go on the free one, see what it's all about for now. Oh, let me just sign up quickly over on the other screen. Three free locations left to play. Oh, okay, we can do 3 a day. We can do that. Yeah, let's just do one now. Is this where you... Gotta guess where this is? Oh. I don't really know what I'm doing, but if you've got to guess where this is in the world, right? Well, it's in the UK for sure, right? Looking at the number plates and stuff, looks like UK cars. Need some help, guys. I'm panicking. It's got to be the UK. Traffic lights look exactly the same as well. And then do you come over here? Place your pin on the map. I see. I don't know where though in the UK. England, right? It looks like England. Oh my. I'm gonna say like Croydon or something. So I guess. You can move around. Oh, can you? Oh, I see. Nice one, nice one. Get down the road quick. Got 30 seconds. Maybe not Croydon, it's a bit too open for that. Bus stop. I'm just gonna guess, guys, quickly. I'm just gonna put just go over there, shall we? That wasn't even English. It's right up there. Decent. Alright, we'll play that later. I like it, I like it. Thanks for that suggestion, I like it. Done ya. 15-minute candle about to close. Ooh. Could we potentially be looking at a 15-minute divergence candle? Let's see how we close. Very high volume, very big liquidity sweep. If we can break the previous high, potentially a divergence candle. We'll see. I'd have to go stops below current candle, that's the only problem. I need to see how we finish. 2 minutes. Could be looking at a divergence candle here for some buys. Will we finish like that? No. What was that? Right, we might be getting a candle closure below it. Nevertheless, high volume. Five-minute MC play coming in. Not that we trade that on 5 minute, but very high volume. One minute till candle closure. Can we get that candle closed below the rejection wicks? And if so, we can wait for a setup at that point. can feel we're getting closer to a trade now, which is nice. We do have news at 2 though, so we have to be aware from that. Be aware of that. Closure below, guys. Closure below. Very small stubble wick, but it's fine. But it's not fine. But it's fine in the fact that I'm not going to be looking to take a trade off the bat because we've moved over 70 pips, 70, 80 pips, right? Now the plan is to wait for this next candle to close. If we can close like a weak bearish, weak bullish, followed by an MC play, we can take the continuation sells. We have just broken the previous lows with no top wick already. So if that goes, it goes, and there's nothing anyone can do about it. But we have the closure below, so let's see. Wait for the next candle to close, see how we print. Might be able to get a nice reverse MC play if we finish like this and then break the previous lows and then come up and break the highs. We can take the continuation buys there, and that would be the plan that we had on the 4 hour. So we'll see. But nice movement, nice volume kicking in, looking nicer. Trade is imminent. Do you know what I fancy? A Domino's. So my girlfriend's gone away for 2 weeks to Thailand, so I've come back. I didn't want to be on my own, so come back to the house, my hometown house, which is good because I can order a Domino's. I can order a takeaway. Whereas with my girlfriend, it's in the middle of nowhere. So there's no takeaways. But we can now. Got my haircut at 4:30. Got plenty of time. Should I get a Domino's? Is it a good idea, guys? Do I get a Domino's for lunch? I haven't had lunch. Oh, is it a good idea to type my postcode on YouTube? Probably not. Oh, there you go. You can see that I live in Seaford. Do it. Ooh. Quick check of the charts. Premium. Thing is, I love the cookies, and I also love the chicken kickers. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, this is a side deal. No pizza. I'm just gonna put that on the other screen so I can concentrate on the charts as well. Yeah, look guys, if we can close like this, right? Small bullish, and then break the previous lows. If we just do that instantly, and then then come up and break the previous highs, we've got a nice reverse MC play. I'd love that. What's your go-to dominoes, guys? What's your go-to dominoes? Texas barbecue. I love a Texas barbecue. Or the meaty. What is it? Texas barbecue. That is Texas barbecue. No, it's a different one. It's got loads of meat on it, but barbecue base. I love it. I'm gonna go for Texas barbecue, I think. Texas barbecue. I'm not the biggest fan of peppers though, so I'm just gonna take them off. Replace it with more bacon. Domino's cookies with cream eggs. I'm just gonna go and check if someone else wants any. Right, what's going on? Okay. See how we close here. Volume is very low at the moment on this current candle, but let's see how we close. Getting a bit close to news now as well, which is a bit annoying. But anyway, I'm getting dominoes, so that will pass the time a little bit. Matty, cheeseburger pizza's naughty as well. Ooh, I've never had one of them, to be fair. This price action is not great, guys. This is not great. It's not the best. Four minutes to his candle closure. I'll order my dominoes in these 4 minutes and see what we get. Yeah, not looking too special this chart, guys. With news in half an hour as well. It would be nice to see a bearish divergence here. And again, reverse MC play on the next 15, but what a dry couple of hours we've had. It's because the market knows Ryan's going on live stream. Make sure you can't get any trades. Add the deal, add the basket. Just gonna get the OG cookies, get the cookies, and we'll get a drink, and maybe a chicken side. Whoa, £8 for the chicken kickers now. Is that what they're doing? Oh, go on then, let's treat myself today. £3 for a bottle of Coke. It's just a normal bottle. Oh no, that's, oh yeah, that is just a normal bottle. £3 for a bottle of Coke. Nah. That's daylight robbery, surely. Here's my thoughts here. On the half an hour, a bit of a divergence candle after sweeping all these lows. Let's see if we get a nice bottom wick on the next candle. I've got a nice divergence in a half an hour. We can just break the previous high now at this point. Continue on bullish. Let's see. Because we just had that massive liquidity sweep. But I need to see a nicer bottom wick here. Broke our highs, broke our lows. I don't mind these buys here, guys. On the fake out, looking at the divergence of the half an hour as well. Gonna go for these buys here. Just gonna go current candle stops, just a small position. Oh, okay. Could be an instant L here, but if we re-break the highs, I'll look to re-enter another position, I think. That was a very, very quick loss. Very, very quick loss. On stream. I'm guessing no one could actually get in at the same time. If we re-break the highs, I'll look to re-enter. But I was looking at anticipating this divergence candle for half an hour to continue on bullish. With this big liquidity grab. Very high volume. And with the 15-minute fake out. We broke the highs and then broke the lows and then re-broke the highs, and now we've obviously just re-broke the lows. So I wasn't expecting the quadruple breaks of the wicks there, but small loss there. If we can re-break the highs, I'll look to enter one more position. Jeez, that was a quick L. Not even 1%, but it was a quick L. 16 pips. But I was expecting price to continue up on bullish there as we broke the lows again, but it looks like we are coming back up again. Give our trade a second chance. We can re-break the highs here. So might be able to get in a re-break of the highs. And my original entry there we go. Stops for the current candle. As we re-break the lows and then the highs again. Looking for this previous half an hour to get taken out at the very least. I've got to get my... Can manage it on my phone at the very least. Nice push so far. 400 up. So I'm looking for about 10 pips. Which is nearly there. There we go. Just going to go stops at entry, close some partials. Lovely. Then we just let the runners run. We can get that 4-hour MC play as well. I really like that. Really nice on the run there. Nice on the runners. Just going to close out another 50% there as we come up to about 20 pips. As we come up to that previous resistance. Stops our entry. And then we let this rest run for that 4-hour MC play that we were talking about. We can go for a big old trade, but we'd secure passes along the way. Loss and a dub. Coming up to that 4-hour MC play now. Beautiful. This is exactly what we wanted on the 4-hour. Look at that to a T. What we said earlier. Take out the previous lows and then take out the previous highs. Love that. Expecting a big burst now. There it is. Just going to secure another 50%, I think, at that point. Break the highs. Yeah, there we go. Another 50% secured. Really, it's a shame we got the quick loss within like 2 seconds. Very, very unusual how we broke the highs and the lows, then the highs, and then broke the lows again to take out our stops. But as we re-broke the highs again, there was a much higher probability. But that 4-hour analysis that we talked about earlier, wait for the 4-hour to close, take out the previous lows, and then take out the previous highs. Spot on. We're getting a bit closer to news now, so I'll probably look to secure 4 at some point soon. Maybe in about 5 minutes, just secure 4, or trail my stops below the current 5s or something like that. WWW though in the bag. Haven't ordered my Dominoes yet to celebrate, but that's where it is. So check the clean candle territory very soon. Let's put this on the. So our first position got taken out, obviously, just tapped out. Very could have given it a bit more room to breathe, but it is what it is, guys. That's why I give you trades a second chance. There we go. Look at that for a push. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to secure another 50% there, I think, guys. Another 50% secured. Just taking them parcels along the way. Could have held the whole position yet, but this is just my plan. This is my strategy. This is what I do. $75 pips. That's the risk you run with going stops at current candle, but after we already made that liquidity grab on the half-an-hour candle, I really wasn't expecting us to. We already made a lower wick, broke the highs, then re-broke the lows on that 15-minute candle. Wasn't expecting price to make a little bit more of a bottom wick. But it did, and it is what it is. The markets will want to try and beat you all the time. But the fact is, we kept our cool and re-entered at the break of the high. It was still a nice trade. W's in the chat. Let's go. All right, let's get a little recording of that. Let me get a little recording of that. Guys, can you do the spam? Can you spam the W's in the chat for me? Just keep spamming the W's, and I'll do my recording. Gold trade taken live on YouTube this afternoon, just before news. We did just get tapped out at entry on our early entry, but we took second entries. Currently running at about 50-60 pips. A little bit of running left. We did secure partials along the way. Getting them W's in the chat, guys. Love that. Caught on the stream. Good job, guys. Yeah, thanks for that, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is the 5 minute. I'm just going to trail my stops below 5 minute candles now. Did anyone catch chat with me? Enjoy pizza, thank you. I will do now, much better. I wouldn't have enjoyed it much after the little loss. I say little loss is like we are like 90, pretty much break even we'll be break even after we close these partials out. But yeah, it's what it is. Hello, good to see you, man. Thank you, amazing. Thank you. Guys, could you do me a favour, especially if you're new here as well? Make sure you like and subscribe the stream. Like the stream, especially if you caught that W with me. But yeah, leave a like for me. It goes a long way. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't. What indicator do you use? I don't really use indicators. I have the volume indicator and the Asian range. But I don't use an indicator to tell me when to buy or sell. Look at that volume candle, guys. The biggest of the day, and we were on it. Let's fucking go. Don't know if I'm allowed to swear or not. Beautiful. Wait for this 15 minute candle close, then we've got 15 minutes till news, so I need to be out of the trade soonish. If the new 15 minute candle opens, makes a little bottom wick and then breaks the previous high, I'll move my stops to the current candle. Oh, I can't see the story. I'm going to have to do the W's chats thing again, guys. If you spam some W's in the chat for me again, please, guys. I didn't manage to catch. It's all blurry. Let's try it again. I think it's just too bright in here. Live trade taken on YouTube. Really, really nice. We're still running on the runners here. Secure most position. We did get tapped out with a loss, but we gave the trade a second chance. We're really unlucky. That's absolutely fine. Secured partials along the way at about 15 pips, about 30 and then 50. Still got runners running though, which is really nice. W's in the chat, guys. They've already done it for me. Let's go. Trade taken on YouTube. Really, really nice. Still running on the runners here. Let's go. We're still pushing. Love it, love it, love it. 75 pips. Second trade, a second chance. Here we go, guys. So next 15-minute candle, we can now break that previous high. I'll move my stops, my trailing profit to underneath this current candle, like so. Let's go. Might just secure another bit there, actually, guys. I'm gonna secure another 50%. Really clean. Really, really clean. That volume was insane. I'm getting out of the trade in like 5 minutes. Because of news. So what are we running at now? What's the biggest runners at that? 88 pips, 89, 90. We've got 91. Can we get 100 pips on our second day? Might get tapped out on the runners here. Absolutely fine. Yeah, there we go. Trade done, guys. Trade done. Trade done. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Out of the trade just in time for news. Just before news. That's why I'm quite insistent in closing some parcels along the way. Got about 5-second loss there. So the win streak comes to an end, but recover with the win there. So pretty much break even for me. That's fine. I can deal with that. Now let's see if I can change on the stream. Wins. 1. Losses. 1. Does that change for you on the stream, guys? Jerry, nice trade, thanks. Very welcome, man, very welcome. Does that change for you on the stream where it says wins and losses? 7 win streak does come to an end, but we recovered it straight away. We've given the trade a second chance. So many numbers on the screen, I can't see anything. Now I can order my Dominoes. Why has the basket been emptied? Basket's been emptied on my dominoes order. I'm not happy. Deals. Toppings. There we go. Do. Dominoes successfully ordered. Track your order. Keep that up in the background. Right, let's play this game. Trade done. Trade done for the day. GeoGuessr. $3,750 points. Right, guys, gonna need your help on this one. I'm gonna need your help on the next round. We ready? Oh wow, where are we? So somewhere in Africa, maybe. Just no idea. Any help, guys? I need some help. Nigeria? Got a minute left. Need a clue. Could be way off. Anything? Any clues from this store? Cuba. Don't know where that is either. Just gonna have to guess. Oh, Senegal. Senegal. Domino's being prepped. Lovely. Anyone left on the stream? Can you see if the wins and the losses have changed at the bottom? Have they changed? They have on my end. It'd be good to know if they have on your end. News in 4 minutes. We can watch that together. News in 2 minutes. News in 2 minutes. Oh, today's trade. Up on the pips, break even on the... Oh, I haven't got the text in there. So overall pips there, we just got like, so we lost 15 pips. Overall pips on the last 80, so like 65 pips, but that was with runners, so averaging out probably about the same. Win streak 1. Today's trades, we can add that in as well. Very new to all this, guys, so have to bear with me. Ah, the news candle, we're going. go. Bit of a boring news candle so far. Just uploading to my story. So yeah, nice trade, really nice trade. Ooh. That means Domino's is getting a nice kick on. Bacon. Essentially, guys, the trade idea that we just secured on was really nice. Previous half an hour candle, big long rejection wick, sweeping all this liquidity down through those. We closed below on the 15-minute as well. Obviously, wasn't going to take the sells there because we'd already moved too far bearish. Trade idea was for the we had a bearish divergence candle, higher volume, very small body, big rejection wick. The trade idea was to break this previous half an hour high, right, to continue on bullish. Now, I went down to the 15 minutes to get my entry. The candle opened, this current candle opened, we broke the high, didn't enter the trade yet, we had no bottom wick. We then broke the low, made a steeper bottom wick, and then re-broke the high. At that point, that was my entry, right? Instantly, we then rejected and came back and just took us out by about a pip of a stop loss there. But I still liked the trade idea. That's the problem with having current candle stops. It's a bit more risky. But I wasn't expecting it to break the highs, then lows, then highs, and then lows again. But the trade idea was still valid if we'd re-broke the highs, which we did do. We re-broke the highs. We gave the trade a second chance. We then did break the previous half an hour high. Continued up on bullish. And secured the dub. WWW. Milan Essen Sahar. Can I enter on the retest? I'm out the trade. Trade's done. This is now a news candle. I wouldn't trade the news candle. Trade's done. We have already took the little L there, and then we got the win. After that, we gave the trade a second chance, so trade is done. Let's can we talk? Do 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 do. Still got nice clean candles to the left. Look at that daily plan. Daily plan executed perfectly. We said that we wanted to break that previous daily wick high, start filling these wicks to the left hand side. It's exactly what we did. Really, really nice. Let's get that in the Discord. Wait for news to settle a little bit. I like this setup here. We've taken out the previous low and then take out the previous high. But this is still pretty early on in the news candle. Where's the dominoes? Still baking. Alright, let's update this journal and then I can update the FX bullshit journal. 3 trades taken today. New York, gold, buys, impulse, break of current high, 15-minute, minus, how many pips was it? $14, let's just say 15. Minus 15 pips. 11/03/2025. New York, gold, buy, impulse again. I guess it's an impulse because it was off a divergence candle. Why is that bent like that? Break of current high again. 15-minute. Closed partials at like 15 pips. And then it was also, oh, that's a good noise. Then 35, 50. Total pips secured at 85. Oh, you can't have all of them in there. Should put 15 then, I guess. Not bad, not bad, not bad. First trades taken on the live stream. 1L, 1 win. Giving trades a second chance, that's why it's so important. Domino's Pizza Tracker. Oh, it's on its way. Let's go, 4 minutes. Whoa, let's not give a map for the whole YouTube to see. I have to put that over here now. Luckily it wasn't at my house yet. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you have just joined us, guys, took really nice trades. 4-hour plan was absolutely spot on. We said it all stream to take out. We wanted to wait for this candle to close, right? We had a small bottom wick. I said we want to see an ideal position because we want the daily, right? The daily we were pushing bullish. We want the previous daily highs to get taken out, right? Which we did, which we obviously have done now. But after 4-hour, it needed to make more sense. It made more sense because we had a small bottom wick on the 4-hour. I said the next candle I want to see it open up, take out the previous lows, and then anticipate this 4-hour MC play with them take out the previous highs to continue up on bullish. And it's exactly what happened. To a T. Just had to go to the lower time frames and wait to execute on a position. Obviously, we had the 15-minute, we had this fake out, and then we had this bearish divergence candle that we were anticipating. It's just such a shame we took a small loss on the way there. And that is okay. That is okay. We re-entered the position. We still trusted the analysis, the volume, everything was perfect. So I was so confident in giving that trade a second chance. We'd like to see gold continue up, to be honest. Nice high volume bullish closure again. My Domino's Pizza should be here in a sec. Whoa. Nearly here. Oh, he's here. He's outside. Let's go. Let's go. Dominoes. Dominoes. Oh, we are. We're pushing up bullish still. Let's go. Let's see what charts are doing. High volume closure on that bullish candle. Bum bum bum. See if it re-breaks its highs. Might have a good opportunity. Do 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 do. Domino secured. Let's go. Dominoes secured. We've got chicken kickers. We've got the cookies. Also, Texas barbecue pizza. Just went for a small because it's only lunchtime. Oh, guys. Can't forget about the dip. Can't forget about the dip. It's good. Just seeing if price can re-break these highs at the moment. Dr. Pepper. I haven't had one in ages, so I thought, have that with it. Not bad. Haven't had one in ages. Normally wait about between 15 minutes and half an hour for news to settle. So this is still like the half an hour news candle. And then I'll reanalyze the charts. Eight minutes till this candle closes. So now we're forming a new range, right? New resistance. TP1 got these previous areas here. We've obviously tapped in a few times. Rest of the clean range for TP2. TP3, looking left. Oh, it's beautiful. Rest of the clean range up there. That's really nice. Not really looking to take any sells, but this is our range for now. If we can create a new support at this level here, then we can have a new support formed for a no trade range. But at the moment, this is what we're dealing with. We did have this like very, very minor support, so we could potentially look at that. It's not even, it's like 20 pips. Probably want a nice closure below that wick anyway. But for now, we're just going to leave it as so. Five minutes till candle closes. Whew. Not a bad stream, guys. Not bad at all. About 3 hours coming up to now. You got to see me take a 5-second loss. You got to see me give my trade a second chance. Analysis was on point. Just really, really unlucky we got tapped out. 2 trades taken on stream. You got to see me eat a Domino's. I just want to see this candle close before I, so I can do some fresh analysis. So this half an hour candle, guys, probably about to close without breaking the previous low or breaking the previous high, meaning the next candle's got a lot of indecisiveness, right? It's going to make it hard to know which way the next candle's going to go. I'm still bullish at the moment off the 4 hour, if we can re-break the current 4 hour highs, but at the moment, we've got a new resistance formed, right, at 2919.849. Can break and close above that. We've got these clean candles to the left hand side coming up towards 2928, which is perfect. If not, I want to see a new support formed, right? If we can form a new support here, then we've got these clean candles if we get the candle closure below. But in the meantime, I've got my most recent support at 2907. I know it's a big range at the moment, so no trade range. But if we can form that cleaner support anywhere in this area around here, then we still got these clean candles to fill. So we can use that as our new no trade range here, and then wait for the candle to close it below, and then continue on down, right? Appreciate the drawings. And if we do, continue to close below, then we've got more clean candles down below our sell zone here. But in the meantime, guys, I'm going to head off. Stream done, day 2. I'll be back same time tomorrow, 11:30 AM GMT. Guys, please leave a like on the stream. I really appreciate that. Before you go, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Get notifications. Of course, check out the description. I've got the free Discord in there. So yeah, nice. 1 loss, 1 win. Lovely trade caught. Really, really lovely trade caught. See you at the same time tomorrow, guys. Have a good one. OGs. Peace and love, guys.